Solubility refers to a material's ability to dissolve in a solvent, and it is related to the polarity of the molecules. In general, a molecule that is polar, or at least has polar functional groups, is going to be more likely to dissolve in a polar solvent than a nonpolar solvent. And by the same argument, a nonpolar molecule is more likely to dissolve in a nonpolar solvent. A common rule of thumb is like dissolves like. Similar things are going to dissolve similar things. Hydrocarbons are effectively nonpolar, so their intermolecular interactions are going to be dominated by dispersion forces. Chemicals with small dispersion forces are going to be weakly attracted to one another, and chemicals with large dispersion forces are going to be strongly attracted to one another. So chemicals that are weakly attracted to one another are going to be easy to separate, and that means they're going to melt and boil relatively easily. And by the same argument, anything with a large dispersion force is going to be strongly attracted to one another and have a higher melting and boiling point. Remember that smaller molecular weights or smaller molecules corresponds to small dispersion forces. So the very small molecules are going to have very, very low melting and boiling points, and they'll be gases at room temperature. As the molecules get bigger and they get heavier, the melting points and boiling points increase, and then you have a group of hydrocarbons that are liquids at room temperature. And eventually you get large and heavy enough that the hydrocarbons are solids at room temperature.